Budget Diva family. So look, today we are going to go over one of the asks that I recently received of Dave Ramsey versus Velocity Banking. And I'm a Dave Ramsey person. Dave Ramsey has helped me pay off over $200,000. So I am very much involved with Dave Ramsey, but Velocity Banking, it's going to be surprising to you if you've never heard of it before. So stay tuned and we're about to jump in now. And we are going to be speaking on debt repayment strategies. So we're going to compare the Dave Ramsey plan, which I have done, and I have paid off over six figures with this. Well, multiple six figures with this method, and then the Velocity Banking. So let's take a look at the two just to see what the differences are and just a comparison, see where you can go in order to get your payments taken away quickly. So the Dave Ramsey method, it focuses on smaller debts versus interest. So it's going to do a debt snowball, and then you're going to have pay the minimums of all your debts except for the smallest. So you're going to see these go really, really fast as the little bills start falling off. So you see your wins up front with Dave Ramsey. So the person that we're going to be assisting today, they are going to allocate $3,300 a month surplus toward their debt payment. So these are the two methods that we're going to do for them. And then we're going to do a payoff timeline for 10 months. That's with the Dave Ramsey plan. Then you have the Velocity Banking method. This is something that people have been doing forever, but it is not as popular as Dave Ramsey. So they're going to be able to use a $5,000 line of credit, an LOC, to pay this off. So this could be home equity line of credit. This can be a credit card, a personal loan, something you already have up front. So they're going to redirect $3,300 a month surplus aggressively paying down his LOC. So whatever that would have been able to go into their checking accounts, they are going to do something completely different. They are going to take that checking account amount that was coming from their direct deposit and it's going to be applied directly to this line of credit. Again, this is going to be actually a credit card, a personal loan, or a home equity line of credit. I'm seeing the most popular is the home equity line of credit. The interest rate is a lot smaller than when it comes to one of the credit cards. And majority of credit cards right now are like 22% interest. But this method is amazing. I just want to say myself, I didn't think I would be impressed with anything else other than Dave Ramsey, but it's proved me wrong. So they're going to repeat this process of entering in this $3,300 a month into this personal line of credit until it is paid off. And so the timeline with this is going to be 8 to 10 months. So this is the comparison side by side. So if you see Dave Ramsey, that is going to take them at the $3,300. It's going to take them a total of 10 months to get that paid off. But if they're using the Velocity Banking, then it's going to be 8 months. Impressive, right? You're paying off 2 months faster. But you also run the risk of having interest to calculate. You're running a dangerous thing of, okay, what if I lose my job and I don't have the money? So, you have to look at that as well, because Dave is never going to tell you to use someone else's money to pay off your loan. He's going to instruct you to just use your money in order to get this done. On this slide right here, so Dave Ramsey monthly breakdown. Month 1 and 2 on the credit card, because if that's what we're going to use the credit card. It's going to be $5,000. And month 3 and 6, you're going to pay off your car loan, which is $10,000. And then month 7 through 10 is going to be the personal loan of $10,000. So you can get all of that paid off in 10 months with that $3,300 that's being left over for this individual that we are assisting here. So over here in Velocity Banking, the monthly breakdown, you're going to have month 1 and 2 that you're going to put in your line of credit to pay off $5,000 towards credit card A. Then month 3 and 4, the remaining $5,000 is going to continue to just be implemented and paid toward other items. So month 5 and 6, they're going to apply that LOC to pay off the $5,000 on the car loan. Months 7 and 8, you're going to repeat and that remaining $5,000 for the car loan. And then months 9 and 10, use the LOC to pay chunks in the personal loan. So if you're using this the correct way and you're paying everything down before the interest starts accumulating, then you can be finished with this in 7 to 8 months, which is, like I said, unheard of, impressive. So we are going to do a video and I'm going to show you how you can do each and every one of these. So stay tuned for that video and let's go right here. And then this is going to show you the financial strategy comparison. So it's going to show you the complexity. It's going to show you the timelines in the months. It's going to show you the interest saved. And all of that information is right here on this grid. You're going to be able to look at this chart and see how the savings actually occurred here. And if you are looking at this the way that I'm looking at this, you're definitely going to be able to see where it took longer for Dave's plan to work. Not saying that it's not a great plan, because like I said, I've done it and I've paid off hundreds with an S of thousands of dollars using this method. So take a look, see how this could actually work in your life. And we are going to do another one of these so that you can understand what's going to work best for you, because we are going to enter into 2025 looking for debt freedom. Have a great one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and more will be coming your way.